What is going on, guys? It is your boy, Cyclone X Cry. I am here with my mom,
Cyclone's mom.
So today, if you guys read the title, which should be up there, you guys should know what we're doing today.
We are gonna cook it up in the kitchen.
So what we got over here, we have some chicken, some rice, and some other stuff. I'll show you guys that soon. But before you get any farther, I need you guys right now to drop a big old like on this video. Drop a like. Hit subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because this is my mom, and you know, look at her.
When they turn the spotlights on, because she moves her body like a cyclone, just like a cyclone, body like a cyclone, and she makes me wanna do it all night long.
Joy Road, bitch, but the money long as 6 mile. Break mile, knock your eyes down, pick her up, knock her back down, pull her tracks out. Yes, I slap, girl. Yes, I slap.
Before we get farther, we need to make a toast. You heard? This will be some good food. There you go.
Spill it for good luck.
Alright guys, so what we're doing here is we got the chicken. What is this? Chicken breast?
Chicken breast tenders.
Yeah, chicken breast tenders. So we're getting ready to go ahead, open it, wash it off, and then put it on the slicing board, which is over here. So let's just go ahead and do that. Start just taking it, rinsing them. Don't use hot water either. Make sure you guys use cold, alright? If you guys want to copy this, this is exactly what I'll be doing.
Just rinsing the chicken. Cold water, because hot water will start to cook it on the ends, make it tough, chewy. These are nice breasts.
That's what he said.
Okay. Just enough to get her done.
So, get close. Come on, get in here. You just wanna cut it. Just cut it down. And once you have them cut, throw it in there, just like that. So I'm gonna do this for the rest of them, and by time I am done, we should get ready to put seasoning on it, and we'll go from there, guys. But right now, just cutting it down, and it should be good. Alright?
Okay, so we're just gonna put a little oil in the pan and heat it up so we can saute the chicken. It's a big pan, so it'll take just a minute to heat up. We have it on high. So it's just about ready to throw the chicken in, and what we're gonna do is throw the chicken in and toss it until it's cooked. About 5 minutes maybe.
Yeah. You guys hear that sizzle?
And that's a simmer. I mean a saute, sorry.
Oh.
And it's going to turn white very quickly. And we're just going to break the chicken up. And at this point, you can start to add your spices. Or you can wait until it's cooked and then add your spices.
And bring the spices over here. I'll take that. Hand me the rosemary.
Some onion and here's some rosemary.
Alright. So let's see, we got Italian seasoning, we got chopped onions, garlic powder, premium spices, onion powder. So let's start with the rosemary. We'll sprinkle a little on. Just sprinkle it in there a little bit. Might want to zoom in on that. Just do a little of that. So next we'll switch over to the Italian seasoning, which you guys can't see, it won't focus in. So we're gonna just go ahead. We'll put some in there. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and do that.
It's starting to smell really good, Cyclone.
Do that a little bit. And guys, there's no measurements. I'm no professional cook here, chef, whatever you want to call it.
A dab of this, a dash of that.
Exactly. We did our Italian seasoning. We're gonna do onion powder. We're gonna go ahead and do onion powder instead of the chopped onions. So we'll go ahead and do that. Let's open that up. There you go. Just a little of that, and then we'll do just a small thing of basil leaves. Oh, that's new. Quality. We'll go ahead and open that. You guys see that? Brand new. Just sprinkle dabs in there. There you go. And then we're gonna rotate the chicken again. And zoom out a little bit. Alright, there you go.
And Cyclone, you might want to mention that you're just cooking your chicken until it's no longer pink.
Yeah. Oh my god, that smells good.
Heaven. And it smells succulent.
Succulent, as the wise woman said. So I'm gonna just go ahead and rotate it. Oh. Just gonna go ahead and rotate it. Look at that, good grease. That's not even grease, that's olive oil. Alright.
Just keep flipping it till all the pink is out.
So yeah, we'll go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once that's done, alright?
We're going to put it on low, and then we're going to add your cream base, which is cream of mushroom that you picked for this.
Hold on. There you go.
Cream of mushroom. And what we're going to do is just open that up. And we're going to pour the cream of mushroom into the pan. Actually, we're going to use a spoon. Sorry about that. Can you see?
Hold
Because
on.
it's thick.
Wrong arm.
Sorry. We're going to get that in there. Let's stir it all up so that it makes like a paste, like a gravy. And at this point, you can add a little water or milk if you want, but I think it's going to be perfect like this.
Alright guys, so right now got some hot water. Turn the front burner or wherever you're cooking onto high, and we're gonna put the bag of rice.
Once it starts to boil.
Once it boils, this one bag of rice, we'll go ahead, we'll drop it in here, and yeah. So now we wait. Alright guys, as you guys can probably tell, water's starting to come to a boil. So, what I'm getting ready to do, take the rice bag and drop it in. Alright guys, so hopefully so far you guys are liking what we're doing. What do you think?
I think the kitchen smells amazing, Cyclone. That's what I think. Okay, so that's been boiling for 10 minutes, and it's time to turn off the stove. And we're going to lift our bag of rice, and we're going to drain all the water out of it. That's all the starch of the rice that just came off.
Alright, come on, let's go. Let's go choppity chop.
Do you have a knife or scissors?
We'll see. Alright guys, so now that we got it done, I'm pretty sure you guys already saw. So let's try it. You guys know we gotta try our food. Here we go, here we go. Yeah, that's really good.
I thought it was delish.
Oh my god. Well, there you guys go. That's how you make Cyclones. I don't even know, what should we call this?
Cyclones Italian chicken and mushroom gravy.
That's a long title, but okay. Whatever she said, that's gonna be in the title. That's what this is, and it's good. It's your boy Cyclone, Cyclone's mom.
Cyclone's
and
mom.
I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, drop a like. Put in the comments that you did, and we'll do more, alright? It's your boy Cyclone. Deuces.
Deuces.